In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to do automatic calculations right inside Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it and see how it's done. Now here's a table that contains numbers for each month. And if you'd like to add them up, in other words, if you're trying to calculate the total, just go ahead and head over to Table Layout, click on Formula, select the option pointing to the left, and then click OK. At that point, the sum total of the numbers should appear right there. Now in my case, it's not showing up, and that's because I'm using a slightly different version. So just give it a shot on your end and see if it works. And now if you also want to do that at the bottom of your table, you can simply click on Formula again, and then hit OK. At that point, the sum total will be visible for you or whatever calculation you selected. So that's basically how to perform automatic calculation in Microsoft Word. As always, thanks a lot for watching.